Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. GG Nail Dip sent me some dip powders to try out. This is a small dip powder company and I like supporting small businesses, so I was thrilled when she asked me to try out her dip powders. So we have a card where you would see her website where you can purchase the dip powders and her Instagram as well. Then she also sent some 3D nail stickers. I really like these nail stickers. Next we have an orange wood stick and the two dip powders. This is the Noelia Mermaid Duo. And we also have some buffing blocks. The first dip powder is called Noelia, which is a light green dip powder. Then Mermaid is a chunky glitter with color shifting effect from blue to green. I really liked this glitter. So let's get into the prepping of the nails. I start by pushing back my cuticles with the orange wood stick. Using my circle bit, I go around the cuticle area to push back the cuticles even more and remove any of the dead skin from the nail plate. Then I lightly buffed the surface of the nails to remove the shine, and I also filed the free edge. By the way, I'm using the wrong file to do this. Someone told me I should use 240 grit on my natural nails because this 180 grit can damage my nail bed. Next, I take my nippers and cut the dead cuticles. I'll be using these tips today. They are the half moon tips. So one of my compartments is empty, and that is because I use this nail size for my index nail and my ring nail. So I'll be using clear tips on those nails today. Then I'm using my ProDip top coat as glue and I stick the tips on my nails off camera. Next, I cut the tips to my desired length. Then I shaped the nail tips. I also filed the tips so that they are flush with my natural nails and removed the shine. These are the dip liquids I'll be using today, and as I said before, I'm using Finish Gel as a base liquid. Now I apply my ProDip Prep to dehydrate the nails. Then I applied one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. So I applied a thin layer of base to the whole nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. So I placed the Mermaid glitter dip powder in a tray for easier access. It's always better to lay your finger into chunky glitter instead of dipping. I apply a thin layer of base and then laid my finger into the glitter dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. Moving on to the ring nail, I'm using the light green dip powder, so I applied the base and dipped into the dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. This green is a really nice dip powder. However, there were black spots that were evident on the nail when I was finished. I contacted the owner and she told me that's because she used dark oxide because the green pigment was a little too bright. So that's the reason there's those dark spots. I really didn't like the dark spots. She also said she would work on perfecting it so that it wouldn't happen again. So that's a plus. She is willing to work on fixing the issues, but the glitter is really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Next, I'm applying some Gushion gel top coat to the ring nail, and then I applied the Mermaid glitter to create a glitter ombre, and then I cured for 30 seconds. You know what I liked about this company? I told her I didn't like the black spots on the green nails, and I was going to be honest with my viewers about everything I experienced. I asked her if she was okay with that, and you know what she said? You know what she said? If that's your honest review, yes please. Regardless of the issues I experienced, Gigi Nail Dips has some gorgeous dip powders on her website, so I recommend you check them out. I will leave a link below. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Moving on to the middle finger, I applied base and dipped into the green dip powder. I did 4 layers of that, and I also did the same for my index nail. Next, I encapsulated the nails with 2 layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer.